Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is feeling really good today. I know I am. I'm in a 16 by 52, 2-bed, 1-bath, single wide. We call this the McGregor. We've got some new things to show you today. I wanted to show you our new accent walls for this year. This is called a dogwood harvest. Let me get a little closer here. Lots of grays and maybe even I want to say a hint of peach. Some tans, whites, with some Timberwolf trim at the top. Just something to switch it up. We've got Casper Cashmere over here on these walls. And I'm talking about colors here, guys. The material is a drywall product, 3/8 of an inch VOG panel. We've got a 2x6 wall behind it with an R19 insulation. Thunder on the floor. Timberwolf cabinetry to match the trim. We've got a bookcase right when you walk in. Cute little kitchen here. They kept the accent wall thing going on. Gas stove, that's an option. Put a dishwasher in here. This home, cute little house. Nice and simple. We've got the hood over the stove. We can do a microwave over the range if you like. Lots of can lights here. Heading down the hallway, we've got a pantry going on. The furnace. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is when you get into the hallway, we've got this curved wall right here. It's nice to have a little character in the structure. Here's bedroom 2. They kept going with the dogwood harvest theme throughout the home. Washer dryer cabinets. Our openings do fit a standard washer dryer. Most people bring your own, but if you need to, we can sell you one. Tub shower combination. Vanity. We do put mirrors over the vanity. I have an option of a medicine cabinet if you like. Here's the master bedroom. Plenty of space in here with a 46 by 61 window. Swinging around to the master closet. This is a walk-through closet. Let me get in here. So, no kind of divider, just wide open. Nice and quiet on this Saturday. I am open on Saturdays. If you want to come take a tour, come in on Friday night. Stay at a very nice Amish-inspired inn. It's got a pool, hot tub. Bring the kiddos. We've got some golf carts. We'll just bebop around the lot, check out different homes. I'll explain the process. If you need some financing, we can help you with that. And we have several lenders that we work with, including construction loans. So please give me a call. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, 260-383-1009. Another beautiful champion home. Thanks.